Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on Threads is an important step to enhance your account security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or icon. Look for the settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, and select it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find security settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to find the security or privacy section. Tap on it to open the security options available for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Tap on it and you will be guided through the process to enable it. You may need to choose between receiving a code via SMS or using an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Follow the prompts to complete the setup, which may include entering a verification code sent to your phone or generated by your authentication app. Once confirmed, make sure to save your changes. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on Threads, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Stay safe online.